All right, yesterday I introduced Fozzie to the nail grinder, which I started by starting the nail grinder at a distance from him. So, let's see. Good. 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 I treated him while it was on, and then when it was off, I stopped treating him. After several repetitions of that, I moved the nail grinder closer. Good. Still starting it away from him. Good. Good. As he succeeded, I got a little bit closer with the nail grinder. Good. Moving it around. Good. 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 Then when I got it closer to when he was ready, I got it closer to his feet. It went pretty fast because I'd already introduced him to a clippers. So I started away. Good. And then started in a neutral area. Good. And move it down his foot. Good. Good. Taking breaks where there are no treats in between. Good. 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 And then eventually getting it to touch his nails without actually grinding. Good. 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 I took this at his pace, which was faster because he's already been introduced to a clippers, but I went very slow and stuck at each step for multiple repetitions until he was okay with that. Okay, separately from teaching him to accept the nail grinder, I work on handling of the feet. Good. Good. Eventually I'm going to have to combine the handling of the feet and the nail grinder, but I'm working on them separately so that I can combine them together. Good. So we've worked on this since he was a puppy. Good. So isolating the toes. Good. And holding the foot. Good. It is really awesome if you can get him to offer you the foot. Good. And then add the handling. Good. Good, because then if he pulls his foot back, I know that I'm pushing my criteria too fast. Good. And what he can and can't handle. Good. So eventually I'm combining the touching of the foot with the nail grinder. Good. Good. I have treats in his hand, so he's nudging at my hand. Good. 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 So eventually I want to see if the nail grinder can touch his toenails. And I want it to do it just for a second when he does it. Good boy. Okay, so I turn it on away from him. Good. 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 If he pulls back his feet or acts stressed, I need to push back on my criteria. Good. Good. So I graduated from using a nail grinder to using an actual Dremel tool. And I introduced the Dremel to him the same way I did the nail grinder. And I now can combine the holding of the feet and the Dremel. So I turn the Dremel on still away from him. I turn it down to a lower speed, and I hold his toe. Good. 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 I stick to doing just a couple nails a session, and I will increase the amount of nails I can do as he is successful. But we're sticking to a couple nails each session.